Your mind has a betrayal mechanism installed. Between thought and action, there is a gap, exactly 3 seconds wide. If you don't cross that gap instantly, your own biology will conspire to keep you a slave to hesitation. Miyamoto Musashi called it the void. Modern neuroscience calls it amygdala hijacking. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to hand you the forbidden code to never lose that battle again. Most people believe procrastination is a willpower problem. They're wrong. It's a failure in neural architecture. Your limbic system, the most primitive part of your brain, is hardwired to avoid discomfort at any cost. It takes exactly 3 seconds to manufacture an excuse convincing enough to make you postpone your dreams for one more day. Musashi, the greatest duelist in recorded history, understood that victory was decided before the blade ever left the sheath. He operated on a frequency where hesitation simply did not exist. Today, we're going to fuse the Iaijutsu protocol with directed neuroplasticity to forge a neural switch inside your brain. If you feel like your mind is your greatest enemy, this is the moment you take back control of the blade. Stay until the end. Or accept being a passenger in your own mediocrity. Here's what nobody tells you. Your brain is not broken. It is doing exactly what it was designed to do. 40,000 years ago, hesitation kept your ancestors alive. Pause before jumping into unknown territory. Wait before eating something unfamiliar. Stop before confronting a predator larger than yourself. That ancient code is still running inside you right now. Yet the problem is, the predator is no longer a tiger. The predator is your alarm clock, your blank screen, the phone call you haven't made, the business you haven't started, the conversation you've been avoiding for months. And your brain fires the same emergency signal for all of them. Cortisol floods your bloodstream. Your prefrontal cortex, the rational future-thinking part of your mind, goes partially offline. Your body shifts into protection mode. And in exactly 3 seconds, your most primitive self builds a wall between you and the life you actually want. This is not weakness. This is ancient engineering working against a modern world. But here's what Musashi knew, and what neuroscience has now confirmed. The wall can be destroyed every single time, in under 3 seconds. In 1983, a neuroscientist, Benjamin Libet, made a discovery that shook the scientific world. He found that the brain generates a readiness signal approximately half a second before a person consciously decides to move. In other words, your body begins to act before your conscious mind gives the order. The samurai knew this intuitively centuries before the laboratory confirmed it. Iaijutsu, the art of the instantaneous draw, was not about speed alone. It was about eliminating the gap between perception and action, between intention and execution, between the warrior and the blade. That gap is where your enemy lives, not your external enemy, your internal one. Modern research on behavioral activation tells us that action precedes motivation, not the other way around. You do not wait to feel ready, you move, and readiness follows. Yet the neural pathway fires. Dopamine releases. The resistance dissolves. The brain is a prediction machine. And if you feed it the pattern of crossing the gap, of moving before the wall goes up, it begins to predict that pattern. It begins to automate it. This is neuroplasticity working for you instead of against you. 3 seconds. That is the entire battlefield. This is the protocol. 4 movements, 1 sequence, 0 exceptions. Movement 1. Recognize the signal. The moment you feel resistance, not after, not when it's comfortable, the moment you feel it, name it. Say it out loud or in your mind. This is the 3-second window. That act of naming activates your prefrontal cortex. It pulls you back from the hijack before it completes. You are no longer a victim of the signal. You are its observer. Movement 2. Do not negotiate. But this is the law Musashi lived and died by. Once the sword leaves the sheath, there is no reversal. Do not bargain with your hesitation. Do not give it a conversation. Every second you spend negotiating is a second the limbic system uses to build a stronger wall. Negotiation is defeat in slow motion. Movement 3. Activate the 1-degree move. You do not need to complete the task. You do not need to feel ready. You need one physical micro-action, the smallest possible movement in the direction of execution. Open the document, put on the shoes, dial the first digit, stand up from the chair. That single physical signal tells your nervous system, we are moving. The prediction machine updates. The neural switch flips. Movement 4. Let the biology work. Once you initiate, your body takes over. Momentum is not a metaphor. It is a measurable neurochemical state. Dopamine rises. What felt impossible 30 seconds ago now feels manageable, then natural, then automatic. 4 movements, repeated across time. This is how the samurai forged a mind that did not hesitate. This is how you do the same. Imagine waking up tomorrow, and the voice that used to say, "Not now," is silent. Not because you silenced it with force, but because you rewired the architecture it ran on. Imagine standing at the edge of a conversation you've feared for months, and stepping into it before the hesitation can load. Imagine sitting down to work and beginning, immediately, cleanly, without the ritual of avoidance that used to steal your mornings. This is not motivation. Motivation is a feeling. Feelings are unreliable. This is a protocol. Protocols are repeatable. Irrepeatable things become habit. Habit becomes identity. And identity, who you believe you are at your core, is the only thing that produces consistent, lasting behavior. Musashi did not become the greatest duelist in history because he was gifted. He became the greatest because he repeated a specific set of movements thousands of times until his body executed them before his mind could interfere. You are doing the same thing now. Every time you cross the 3-second gap, you are not just completing a task. You are casting a vote for the identity of someone who does not hesitate. Cast enough votes, and the election is decided. Here is your first test. Right now. Before this video ends. Identify one thing you have been postponing. One thing your limbic system has been building walls around for days, weeks, maybe years. But you have 3 seconds to name it. Now, what is the 1-degree move? The smallest possible physical action in its direction? You have 3 seconds to identify it. Now execute it. Not after this video, not tomorrow, now. This is the moment the protocol begins. This is where the neural switch gets installed. Not in your mind, but in your behavior. In the only place it actually counts. If this shifted something in you, share it with one person who is losing their battle with hesitation right now. You might be the 3-second window they needed. The blade is in your hand. The only question left is whether you will draw it.